Breakfast is undeniably one of the most important meals of the day. It serves to gently activate the gastrointestinal tract, particularly the gallbladder. After a long fasting period during sleep, concentrated bile accumulates in the gallbladder. A well-balanced breakfast aids bile flow and prevents bile stagnation, which can lead to gallstone formation. Regulates hormonal balance. In the morning, the body naturally experiences elevated cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for waking us up. Breakfast triggers the release of insulin, which counters cortisol, promoting a gradual hormonal balance. Skipping breakfast can lead to sustained cortisol levels, increasing anxiety and stress. Boosts energy levels and productivity. Breakfast provides essential energy to fuel the day. A nutritious meal in the morning can sustain satiety for up to 4 hours, reducing the urge for unhealthy snacks later. Prevents weight gain. Individuals who skip breakfast tend to experience decreased energy expenditure and a higher risk of weight gain. Eating breakfast promotes a healthy metabolism and keeps hunger hormones in check. Characteristics of an ideal breakfast. According to nutritionists, the optimal breakfast consists of protein, healthy fats, and a small portion of complex carbohydrates. This combination ensures healthy bile flow, facilitated by quality fats, prolonged satiety, provided by proteins and complex carbohydrates. Stabilized blood sugar levels, thanks to the slow absorption of complex carbohydrates, which also support gradual cortisol reduction. Best time to eat breakfast. The timing of breakfast varies based on individual routines. For those with a standard schedule, it's recommended to eat between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m., approximately 20 to 30 minutes after waking up. Incorporating light exercises or stretches before breakfast is ideal. Drinking a glass of room temperature water on an empty stomach prepares the digestive and endocrine systems for the first meal. For those who don't feel hungry in the morning, it's essential to develop the habit of eating breakfast gradually. Within 2 weeks, the body typically adjusts to this routine, signaling hunger at the appropriate time. 5. Ideal breakfast foods. Whole grains. Examples: buckwheat, oatmeal, barley, millet. High in complex carbohydrates for sustained energy and satiety. Best prepared with water or milk, avoiding added sugar. Eggs includes dishes like omelettes, poached eggs, or boiled eggs, packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and high-quality protein. Homemade muesli. Recipe: mix baked rolled oats, dried fruits, nuts, and a touch of honey. Serve with low-fat yogurt or milk. Avoids added sugars often found in store-bought varieties. Whole grain bread. Ideal combinations: sandwiches with low-fat cheese, smoked salmon, or turkey breast. Provides fiber and sustains energy. Dairy products. Options: low-fat yogurt, kefir, or milk. Rich in calcium, vitamin D, and potassium. Opt for low-fat versions for weight management. Medical implications of skipping breakfast. Consistently skipping breakfast can lead to the following issues: increased cortisol levels, heightening stress and anxiety. Reduced bile flow, increasing the risk of gallstone formation. Metabolic slowdown, leading to weight gain and reduced energy. In conclusion, breakfast plays a critical role in maintaining hormonal balance, optimizing digestion, and providing energy for a productive day. Incorporating nutrient-dense foods and establishing a consistent morning routine can significantly enhance overall health and well-being. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the importance of a balanced breakfast and how it can transform your health and energy levels. Your interest in prioritizing your well-being is truly inspiring. by making small, consistent changes to your morning routine, such as including nutritious foods and embracing the habit of eating breakfast, you're setting yourself up for a healthier, more productive life. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier, happier life. Thank you for being part of this journey. Your health matters, and we're here to support you every step of the way.